Welcome to Instructor in a Box screencast of IBM Lotus Symphony. Now what's really interesting about Lotus Symphony is that it is OpenOffice, but it actually is a better OpenOffice, I think, than OpenOffice. Basically, Symphony allows me to create a document, a new presentation, or a spreadsheet. Now, this tool is probably going to be out there an awful lot. It's part of IBM's Microsoft Free initiative. The idea is that they want to go out there and have computing out there without any Microsoft requirement at all. So anyway, basically to create a new document, you click on this button up here that says New. You click on New and you can choose either a web browser, a Symphony document, a Symphony presentation, or a Symphony spreadsheet, or if you ever close the Home button, you can choose Home. Now in this particular instance, we're going to start off with a Lotus Symphony document. When you have the Lotus Symphony document, it comes up and it looks just like a word processor document. And in fact, if you've ever worked with Pages before, it actually works a little bit like Pages with this property wizard open over here on the right hand side. And basically you can just go ahead and type, and just like you were in a word processor, you can select the text, you can make it bigger or smaller, just like normal things that you can do with anything else out here. It's up to you as to what you want to do, but basically this is the word processor document. But what's really interesting is you'll notice this tab interface. You can have the home page, and then you can go to the new document, and then you can open up another document. Let's say a Symphony spreadsheet, and now you've got the spreadsheet here available, and this spreadsheet is open at the same time this other document is open. Now with the spreadsheets open, this is a normal spreadsheet. You can go ahead and do a command down arrow, and then that will take you to 65,536. Command right arrow take you all the way to 256, column number 256. Command up arrow and command left arrow again moves you back. Just use the word control for the other two operating systems. Right now I'm doing it using Macintosh to do this. Again, you can go ahead and type in any numbers, and the default is the numbers are over on the right hand side and text is over on the left hand side. And you can tab or you can down arrow or left arrow, however you want to move around. You can have another number, press the enter key, and that will move you down one level. And then go ahead and select them both, and you notice down in the lower right hand corner is the actual summation of this. Now this, again, I'm not going to show you how to change that because this is just basically me demonstrating this very simple. This is a first look screencast. Now again, we can add a Symphony presentation which will provide presentations, and it looks very similar to this. Now here's where the problem I have with this here is that it doesn't come up with any way of doing any templates. And templates are a big issue with presentations. This is a basic template right here, which is nothing. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to show you how you can open that by using the menu, going in and choosing File, then choosing New, and then choosing From Template, and then choosing Presentation, and that will get you to the presentation dialog where you can make a choice. And as you click on them here, they will preview themselves over here down here, and you can add new templates. In fact, the Lotus Symphony site provides a lot of plugins as well as templates. So this is a little bit different than OpenOffice, where the support for additional templates and everything was so sporadic. This is one of the reasons why I think Symphony might make it, because Lotus is the one that's actually doing the interface here, and I think they're going to do OpenOffice right, OpenOffice correct. So if you really want to have a free free software that is and can open up Microsoft products, then think about IBM Lotus Symphony. Again, you can choose any one here. One that I happen to like an awful lot is Modern Business Orange. And the reason I happen to like it, it's a little simple, a little elegant, with a little dash of color to give it a little good style. Once you're ready to go ahead and do that, you can choose, go ahead and choose OK. And now it will put in here, and you can, just like any other presentation software, you can type in whatever it is that you want to do. and then you just go ahead and click outside of it, and that will make this presentation available however you want to do it. Again, you can also go ahead and choose different page properties. You can add another page by clicking on this button right here. That will add a page, but notice the color there has been, the color is down at the bottom. It provides I think a really clean presentation just for my own ideas. So basically, you have presentation software, you have worthwhile spreadsheet, you have a worthwhile document, a word processor, all of them based on the Open Office, which means it's going to be based on the open document formats. And so these will be available, and anything can open it. So if you make it here, you should be able to open it up in any Open Office document, and you should be able to open it up in Microsoft's products if Microsoft has the open document filter. So I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what Lotus Symphony looks like and how you might want to play around a little bit with it. So this is Lotus Symphony. Thank you very much.